Rocket exciting career opportunities. Join the Airports Company of Zimbabwe ACZ, Intern Class of 2026. Airplane Zimbabwe. Are you a dynamic, motivated student looking to kickstart your career in the aviation industry? The Airports Company of Zimbabwe ACZ has officially opened its 2026 Interns Recruitment program. Graduation Cap. ACZ is looking for enthusiastic learners from various degree programs to gain 12 months of hands-on, practical experience at some of the country's busiest hubs. If you are ready to take your theoretical knowledge to the runway, this is the opportunity for you. Available internship slots and locations. Round Pushpin Robert Gabriel Mugabe International Airport, Harare. ICT, 3 positions. Internal Audit, 1 position. Boiler Maker, 1 position. Refrigeration Technician, 1 position. Fitter Technician, 1 position. Customer Services, 4 positions. Round Pushpin Joshua Makabuko Nkomo International Airport, Bulawayo. Electricians, 2 positions. ICT, 2 positions. Human Resources, 1 position. Finance, 2 positions. Plumbing, 2 positions. Round Pushpin Victoria Falls International Airport. Electrician, 1 position. ICT, 2 positions. Why apply? Real-world experience. Spend up to 12 months working in a high-stakes, professional aviation environment. Regional preference. ACZ strongly encourages applicants residing in the airport regions to apply for placements within their respective areas. Professional growth. Learn from industry experts and build a solid foundation for your future career. How to apply. Interested and qualified candidates should submit the following documents: application letter, updated CV, university letter requesting attachment internship. Email send your application to recruitment@acz.co.zw. Calendar closing date: the 31st of December 2025. Visit https://www.acz.co.zw/careers/details/80 for more. Don't miss out on this high-flying opportunity to grow with one of Zimbabwe's most vital organizations. Globe Airplane. #Hot Zimbabwe Jobs #ACZ Careers #Aviation Zimbabwe #Internships 2026 #Zimbabwe Jobs #Career Growth #Work in Aviation #Harare Jobs #Bulawayo Jobs #Vic Falls Jobs #Student Attachment ZW